Every single day, somewhere around the world, an airplane takes off. Now, as we go through our everyday lives, this is occurring thousands of times a day. And unless we're traveling on a plane, we hardly ever even notice. And when this takes place, planes are traveling to another city, another state, or sometimes even to another country. It reaches its final destination, dropping off its most precious cargo, most of the time, passengers. Before any plane takes off again, it goes under maintenance. For the most part, it's not because something happened at its previous destination or because something occurred in midair. Airplane companies do maintenance to ensure the success rate of the next flight. Unfortunately, the only time we have a conversation about the success rate of planes is when one crashes. Like airplanes, we too are getting up every day. We join the many within our organizations, often going unnoticed, yet providing exceptional service to others. That is until a significant event occurs that emotionally affects the way we see each other or the way we do business. The important question I often raise with government and business leaders is, if we do maintenance on planes every day, even when there's nothing wrong, why don't we do that with ourselves as human beings within our workplaces? As employers, we have an obligation to ensure the success of our employees. We do this by putting together programs, policies, and procedures to ensure everyone in the organization is healthy both mentally and physically as they go through each day performing their daily goals. This may include wellness campaigns, peer support groups, team building activities, safety training, social gatherings, and other internal services that assist employees in improving their performance or to aid them during difficult times in both their professional and personal lives. Taking a genuine interest in your peers and subordinates is the first step to providing maintenance. Everyone in the organization can provide maintenance to ensure the success rate of one another. Don't wait until an employee crashes to start the conversation, for at that moment, it's too late. See some of the valuable training that we are providing to ensure the success rate of your employees by visiting HarbingerHorizon.com today.